Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seamless loop videos play continuously without any visible starts or end, perfect for backgrounds, social media and motion graphics. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a seamless loop video using OpenArt in 2026. So choose a loop friendly concept, like some ideas work better than others, like good loop concepts, for example, flowing water, floating object, rotating elements, abstract motion. Okay, so avoid complex actions, story-based scenes, because simple motion loops are the best. Okay, so write a loop focused prompts, like for example smooth looping animation. So I will show you the prompt. Okay, so like it's like this: smooth looping animation, flowing liquid, continuous motion, seamless loop, soft lighting. Okay, so keywords to use, like as you can see: looping, seamless, continuous motion. So guide the AI. Okay, so generate short video clip, like open video or OpenArt video generator. Okay, as I did. Create clip from 3 to 5 seconds. So keep motion smooth and simple. Short clips are easier to loop. Okay, so check start and end frames, like look at first frame, last frame, ask do they match. This determines loop quality. So refine the clip, like regenerate with improved prompts, adjust motion, aim for minimal difference, use reverse loop trick like in editor, duplicate clip, reverse the second copy, combine forward and reverse, create smooth loop effect. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.